So when the girl starts to grow up and she's still an Mwogo, right?
Abo is from 15 years old, teenage. That's when the beginning of Abo.
Oh.
Yeah.
So before, when you know the waist beads?
Yeah, they were beads.
They're called, what are they called?
Jigida or Asi.
Asi.
We call it Asi in my own village.
Yeah.
Other people call it Jigida.
Is that an Igbo term?
Yeah.
Oh, it is?
Well, I heard from the northern side of Igbo land, Jigida.
Meaning what?
Nafa Jigida.
Nafa.
Jigida nuku. They wear beads on their waist.
So Asi Uko is what you'd call it from where you're on your side. So what is so from age 15 is when they become a maiden.
Mm-hmm.
So from underneath that year, so from when they become a maiden is when they start wearing wrapper.
Yeah.
So before that it's not, they don't wear anything, just the beads.
Yeah.
And then so that's from the time they're born to when?
So 5, 6, 7
Yeah.
upwards before 15.
Yeah.
Then they will be wearing it because there's nothing
Yeah.
to cover.
And they're not having their
Because they're
periods.
innocent. They don't do
Yes.
anything.
So the material that the beads are made from is usually what? And who makes it?
The beader. It looks like copper.
Mm.
And they made hole
Yeah.
into it and produce that. Because it's breakable though.
Mm.
It can be broken. So the material they use it for, I don't know. Because copper is not like clay. But this one is not copper. There must be some thing that they brought either from the soil and make something out of it. Coral breaks, doesn't it?
Mm.
Yeah. But this one, coral is heavy. But this one is not heavy.
Okay. So how do they put it on the child?
Well, they make the size that the child can wear it, like from the leg onto the next.
And do they tighten it or they just?
No, it's not tightened. It's just the size of the person's waist.
So as they're growing, does it get bigger?
Yeah, no. It's according to size. When they are growing, they wear the size they can wear. The other ones can be tight in the waist. So
Does it shape the person or not?
it's out of beauty somehow. It looks good.
So when they do the ceremony, the ceremony is called what? Like when they're doing the dance, did you do it?
Yeah.
What's it called? Mwabwego. More.
That is the name of the song. The music we sing. Yeah.
Which means?
Mwabwego. It's like a child that dance for money.
Oh, okay.
Mwabwego, yeah.
Mwabwego.
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 Ego mabo.
A little girl that dance for money.
Young girls dance.
Oh, the younger. So how does the dance actually go? And what do you have to do? How did the ceremony go?
According to, especially during the weekends or during the Yam festival, is almost the time that is done. And they'll just go to the square and learn songs and dance with style. And that thing makes them look pretty.
Yeah. So then when they get to, it's like a sign of femininity. The boys don't wear it.
The boys don't wear it.
The boys don't dance?
It's just tie a wrapper.
Oh, so the girls don't wear wrapper at all?
No, yes, tie a wrapper, but it's short. You can,
like a mini...
Yeah, mini short. Then put this, it can come up to your belly button. And it's a sign of beauty when they wear it. Especially those who are a little bit flesh, who have a little bit of flesh in their body. Once they shake, the thing helps to bring it.
You know when you did your one, did you dance? What was the dance? What was that?
No, I dance now. And I was younger at that time.
What did you remember?
Well, I remember that I was the one singing now.
Is it?
Yes, I was the one singing and then. Maybe I'll be singing.
At what age?
From 12.
Oh, so this is after the war.
Yeah. From 12.
So you're wearing the bead
during the war. We're all at home now, so we started from there until after the war, because that time it's a big ceremony during this period, and there was a day I was crying because I don't have any. My auntie has to go to another village to buy it. Yeah.
Why didn't you have any?
Because I didn't have it. None was bought for me because I was just growing up. It's not something that is reserved. You go for shopping when the time comes. Yeah.
Like a party dress?
Well, ceremonial dress.
Yeah.
Outfit.
Yeah.
Attire.
So then, what age do they stop wearing the beads?
When you get to the age of
fertility,
because it can be walking around with beads and soiling yourself with.
What do you mean soiling yourself?
With period now.
Oh, oh, it's a baby girl's thing.
Yeah, it's not something you wear till your period. The only time even if you are.
Oh, it's a sign of freedom.
It's only used when there is dancing.
Yeah.
Like from 12 upwards.
Is when they start wearing the beads.
Yeah. Because they are now knowing what is happening and they're growing up and they're...
So it's almost like a rite of passage.
Well,
because it's a sign that you've now you've gone into a new stage of life as a female child.
I don't see it that way.
Because if you're after 15, you can't wear it anymore.
Yeah, after 15 now, you can't be wearing it and going to places.
Because
it's not conducive.
Right, so it's a sign of freedom and childish femininity.
Yeah, you grow out of it when you are from 16 upwards.
And they just cut it and break it.
You just take them off. You don't have to cut
So the thing is stretchy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Especially they use this slim rubber thing to put it, but it's really, really close, very tight within. Then when they're taking it off, you can go from your head or from your foot.
And then the boys wear the ogodo
is
wrapper. And then the
ogodo is like in form of wrapper.
When you fold it between and you tie it, like almost like a knicker. So it's not the long form.
Like
sumo wrestler.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like a pant. So
you know terry napkins.
Yes.
That's what it is. The terry napkins, they have found a new way of it, using pin to pin it here. And
so when you get the beauty marks as well.
Yeah, they get beauty marks.
And who decides who gets what?
I don't actually know, because it's something that girls do and their mothers do it for them. They can gather during this ceremony and do that beauty marks. Only. I don't know about the scarred one. I'm seeing that one. Beauty.
And grandma had one tattoo here.
Yeah. That one. There is something they use they put it there and use, it's not lantern. That black mold is what they use to darken it when it's still fresh.
And then they use agua. Agua
is
the razor.
Surgical razor.
Okay, so the uli for the walls and for the body, because it was the
uli
so it's semi-permanent.
Yeah. It stays sometimes.
So there was a point in time where the colonial people said, no, we're not allowed to do it anymore.
Well, that's the decision, but it's our culture.
Yeah, so in terms of our culture though, what did it represent? When do you first start to learn about uli, and who is it that's usually teaching about it?
Nobody teaches about it, but I saw when little girls would be called, especially during this ceremony, they would do it on them.
But what did it express?
It's a sign of beauty. to beautify you. That's all.
So there's no rules to the way the pattern goes.
No, there are so many patterns.
Mm.
There are so many patterns.
And who comes up with them?
It's old people, the mothers, old parents, like grandmothers. That's what they do.
And then you wear it when
The beauty
it's...
of the girls, the beauty of young maidens. That's what it represents.
Okay. So it's only during those ceremonies, like the festivals and stuff.
Yeah.
And then it washes off after how many days?
I don't know how long it is, but it stays. You won't bath for it to dry and remain.
Oh.
Yeah. For it to actually come out nicely.
Yeah.
You don't wet your body. It's like leaf. It's leaf. They squeeze, mix leaves. They squeeze it and then they go to a little jar and use something like a little brush. It is sticky wooden brush. They use it to. Very fanciful. You can see the pictures.
Yeah. So, and there's no age for that. You can do it any time.
If you choose.
And what about hairstyles?
There are so many hairstyles. Yeah, they use native thread. I don't know what they made is made of. And tie the hair.